Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to make one of the most loved festive sweets, the soft and juicy Gulab Jamun. It's that one dessert that instantly brings the festive mood alive. So we're going to make this from scratch, nice and perfectly golden on the outside and soft and moist on the inside. So let's get started and check out how to make these delicious Gulab Jamuns. The first step is to knead the dough for the Gulab Jamuns. Take a nice wide bowl that's easy for you to knead. To this I'm adding 200 grams of fresh Khoa or Mawa. This is unsweetened. So here I have freshly grated paneer. I've grated in the fine grater. This is 200 grams. I'm going to add this. So we're going to mix the Mawa and the paneer together and we're going to knead it nicely. The dough has to be nice and soft. You don't want any lumps. So using the base of your palm, you start kneading the dough. So we're going to put some pressure on that. So you can see how I'm doing this. So this is the movement or motion that you want to give while kneading the dough. So if you have a nice wide plate, you can use that also, whichever is easy for you. To this I'm adding half cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. So this will help to bind the mixture. So start mixing the Maida in. So what the Maida, that is the all-purpose flour, will do is absorb all that excess moisture and it will help to bind the dough into small balls. So you can see it's all coming together. Do not add any milk or water because it's going to change the proportion of the mixture. So you can see the doughs come together very nicely. It's nice and soft. Close the bowl and let the dough rest for about 20 minutes. Let's make the sugar syrup for the Gulab Jamuns. So I've taken 800 grams of sugar and to this I'm adding 2 cups of water. Now this is a 250 ml cup measurement. So I'm adding totally 500 ml of water. Just gently mix it and we'll just wait till the sugar dissolves completely. So you can see the sugars dissolved completely. Now at this point I'm going to add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. For a nice color and fragrance, I'm adding a few strands of saffron. Reduce the flame to a nice low and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove and keep it aside. Just take small portions of the dough and just roll it up into nice small balls. So you can see I've divided the dough into nice small even sized dough balls. So now let's start frying the jamuns. Heat some oil in a kadai and once the oil is hot, gently drop in the prepared dough balls in batches. Maintain the flame on medium-low. So I'm frying them in batches of 4. So depending on the size of the kadai, you can fry how many ever you want. So gently toss them in and out of oil so you can see the color change very gradually. So this way you get a lovely even tone and it will cook through on all sides. Once it turns to a lovely rich brown color, remove from the hot oil and place it aside. So once you've fried the jamuns, gently drop in the fried Gulab Jamuns into the hot sugar syrup. We're going to leave the jamuns in the syrup for a minimum of 4 hours, which if you want to leave it longer, you can leave it for about 6 to 7 hours. We're going to let it soak up all that sweetness from the syrup and it will become nice, juicy and moist. And there you have it, our soft, spongy, syrup-soaked Gulab Jamuns ready to be served. Just looking at them on the festive table is enough to start the cravings. Made from scratch at home, these taste even better than the store-bought ones. Wow, you can just see those beautiful golden Gulab Jamuns. They've absorbed that beautiful golden sugar syrup and they look so yummy and juicy. Well, it's time to enjoy this delicious and juicy Gulab Jamun. Wow. Amazing. It's so yummy because we've made it with all these beautiful ingredients like Khoa, that is Mawa, and Paneer, and it's very, very tasty. It's a wonderful recipe. You don't want to miss this. Make sure to serve these golden Gulab Jamuns nice and warm. This is pure indulgence, so do give it a try and enjoy this festive season with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.